eastern United States reels under a massive onslaught by the weather. Starting in Virginia, a blizzard works its way north for 3 days, delivering its final pounding here in New England. In this suburb of Worcester, Massachusetts, snow drifts up to 7 feet. Some homes are isolated for 2 days. The only way out of one's diggings is by a lot more digging. In an 8-state area, the storm cut power to 1.5 million homes and shops, knocked out 330,000 phones, caused some 6 deaths. Perhaps hardest hit is eastern Pennsylvania. Along one 14-mile stretch of the Penn Turnpike, 1,000 trucks, autos, and buses are marooned as the snow piles up to a whopping 42 inches. For many of the travelers caught on the turnpike, there is only one refuge, a restaurant designed for 100 persons. 800 crowd inside for 36 hours, sleeping in shifts. The state civil defense, which conducted the rescue, praised Air Force helicopters for ferrying medical aid to the restaurant and evacuating a dozen ill persons. For these persons and many thousands more, this is one spring they'll never forget, the one that got buried in snow.